The chain of mountains around the old Christian country of Montenegro has always guarded and protected this small, spiritually upright nation from infidel attacks. From the seacoast to Mount Lovćen, Montenegro's moral bastion, is only a couple of hours' walk for a friend, but an enemy may never pass. From his resting place on Lovćen, Njegoš, the bishop and ruler, poet and philosopher, has watched over present-day Montenegro for almost 150 years. His famous predecessor, Bishop Danilo, from his own Eagle Peak, keeps a vigil above the old capital of Cetinje and the long sacred home of the holy warriors, the Cetinje Monastery and its benevolent protector, Holy Mary, the Mother of God. Every stone here has its own mark, a scar, a wound. This building has been the command bastion of Montenegro's resistance to evil forever. A beacon, a center of literacy and spirituality for the Montenegrins, people of Slavic and Serbian origin.
Čudni su putevi Gospodnji, čudni su i putevi tri drevne starohrišćanske svetinje.
God moves in mysterious ways. Mysterious, too, are the ways of the ancient Christian people. Part of the hand of John the Baptist, part of the true cross on which Christ was crucified at Golgotha, and the famous Filerimos icon painted by St. Luke, which remained for a very long time on the island of Rhodes.